What if 5 minutes could replace your cardio?
Strength starts from within. Focus on your core, and the rest will follow. Push past your limits.
This sudden surge indicates a rapid increase in neurological activity, demonstrating peak cognitive load. Welcome to Human Mind Secrets, where we explore the mysteries of the brain.
This is a 5-move metabolic circuit.
Each move hits multiple muscle groups.
Move 1, high-speed squats.
Squats wake your largest muscles.
Big muscles burn big calories. Go non-stop for 30 seconds.
Next move, standing knee drives.
This spikes your heart rate instantly.
Your brain reads it as cardio.
Move 3, arm punches.
Upper body joins the burn.
More muscles, more oxygen demand.
"30 seconds. No.
Move 4, jumping jacks.
Classic move. Maximum effect.
This floods your body with oxygen.
Fat cells hate this.
"30 seconds. Stay light."
Pull them. Final move, fast mountain climbers.
Heart rate peaks here. Your brain triggers fat release.
30 seconds. All out.
That's 1 round.
Rest for 20 seconds.
Repeat the circuit 3 times. Total time, 5 minutes.
But the burn lasts longer.
This is called metabolic afterburn.
Your body burns calories at rest.
Even after the workout ends.
That's why this beats long cardio.
Less time. Better results.
Perfect for busy minds.
Perfect for small spaces.
No equipment required.
Just your body and focus. Consistency beats intensity.
Do this daily. Your energy will climb.
Your mood improves.
Your energy will climb.
Your confidence grows. 5 minutes. 0 excuses.
Start today.
Your future body will thank you. Short workouts rewire discipline.
Discipline creates results.
Results create motivation. And motivation fuels habits. This is psychology-based fitness. Train smarter, not longer.
Your mind controls your body.
Use it wisely. Five minutes is all it takes.
The hardest part is starting. You're already capable. Subscribe to Human Mind Secrets.
Upgrade your mind. Transform your body.